Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to fix Safari can't open page on iPhone. If Safari on your iPhone can't open a page, it's likely due to a network issue or corrupted data as well. First of all, you want to check your internet connection and try switching to a different network or using a cellular data as well. Sometimes you could also try toggling airplane mode on and off to search or refresh the network connection as well. The other thing, what you also want to do is try refreshing the browser or maybe the site. That should be able to help. However, if the issue still persists on, what you could do is close all the background application that is running. So to close the background app, you just need to swipe up from the bottom of the screen and just closes all up. That might be able to fix. However, if the issue still persists on, you want to go to settings on your iPhone, then check your internet, go to Wi-Fi and make sure to restart it and see that should be able to fix. If the issue still persists on, what you could also do is you could also try restarting your device and you could try using a different browser and see that should be able to fix. So these are some of the ways you could try. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.